Hi guys, my name is Ritesh and I'm a product designer. In this video, we are going to talk about Claude Code, how you can install Claude Code in your terminal, and how you can install Figma in the Claude, and we will talk about MCP server. I have created step-by-step guide that you can use to install Claude Code. That presentation file you will get in the description. So let's open the terminal first and type it Claude. Once you will hit that, and this will ask like what mode you want. Here we select dark mode. Okay, and this Claude is asking for, so basically we need to buy the premium of Claude. So if you don't have it, first of all you have to buy it. I already have it, so let's jump in. Create account. This will ask authorization. Just you have to click on authorization. Once you give the authorization, so now we are able to create anything we want. So login successful, press enter to continue. Just hit on continue button. And Claude can mistake, I know, due to prompt injection risk, only use with the Claude Code you can trust. Okay, recommend setting. Okay, let's basically this is asking me to create a folder. So once we will create a folder, we can also ask to Claude like you can create any folder from any location. So now how you can set up Figma in the Claude, that is the main thing. Okay, I forgot to tell you about I have created a dedicated guide that you can use to build you can connect your Figma with the Claude. Let me open that presentation file. So here is this guide I have used. Just run this command. Just copy this one and paste in the terminal. We already set up the Figma with the Claude. Let me check again. Just search MCP server. Okay, MCP server. Oh yeah, see, Claude AI is already connected with the Figma. If you haven't set up your Figma with Claude, just run this command in the terminal. This will allow you to connect with the Figma. So once you will hit it, this will work for you. Okay, and after that you have to give the access. Just slash, you have to just click on /MCP, and just you have to allow the access from the browser. Once it's done, you able to use Claude as much you can. So let's build anything using Claude. Okay, I will build it. Okay, by the way, before jumping on this part, I have to install few skills for Claude that Claude can use to build the best application. So here we have one UI. Just search UI UX Pro Max skills. So this is the skills we can use. Not able to go. Okay, this is the file we have to use. This is basically empty file. You can download, or you can just give this link to Claude. Basically we are giving Claude these skills, so Claude will enhance their skills. So let's see. So this is the one skill I have given to Claude. It's basically cloning your skills. Done. Let's build anything using Claude now. I want to build and book it. Let's see. By the way, this will take time to build it. This will ask a lot of permissions. That permission we have to give it. So basically this is asking me to what exactly they want. This is the basically what kind of things we want, like what tech we want. So let's give web. Just you can press 1. That will also, this will recognize. It's still thinking. So okay, yeah, this is asking like where you want to proceed, like basically where we want to save this whole project. Do you want to proceed? Yes, we want to proceed. Instead of clicking 1, just you can click on 2, because again this will not ask. This Claude will not ask again. So it's all up to you. Okay, just we have to copy this link and paste in the browser. Okay, see, nice. This looks good, by the way. There we can add multiple things. Still this part is broken, so we can ask and fix this whole the things. By the way, even I can change this whole layout, like basically we can change out the color, everything's, it is fine. So we can ask multiple things. For example, where I this functionality is not working from, like if I click on Jalandhar, so see this is not look good, so let's fix it. From to use black color. So basically whatever Claude is building, we have to make it with some kind of tweak, so that was the desired result. So that what we are trying to do it. So let's see. Oh, see, in CTA is not in center. Let's give the feedback. Oh yeah, see, this is fixed. So now this is the one thing we can do it. Okay, we can tweak anything we want. For example, I don't want that blue color in the background. Just you have to do it. Just you have to say very clearly. For example, in the landing page, let's see. See how it is crazy. By the way, if you don't like this design system, you can use your own design system, whatever you have created in the Figma. How you can use it, I will tell you. And I'll try to make this copy. Okay, and go to dev mode. Okay, just click on copy prompt. See, let's open. Just asking you to check this. Oh, okay. This is, he's interpreted wrong. So I mean, this is kind of mistake he do. So I mean, color at all. Okay, they able to create the they replace color palette what we have in the Figma, but I didn't like it. But pretty much things are good. So let's okay, for example, this button we want to change. How we can change it? Just go to Figma. I have already button component, and I want this component Claude can use, maybe this one. Just copy this CTA and ask where we want to change. Search trains CTA change to use this button for search MCP how Figma connect with the Claude is using MCP server. Basically, MCP server is one AI agent can talk with another AI agent using MCP server. So hope you will understand. See, this is how they have created. Nice. This is all in this video. Hope you will like it. If you have any question or feedback, please comment below and subscribe Pixel Root made by Ritesh.